Hello, hello. It's Tracy Lynn, declutterinminutes.com, back with another organizing inspirational video just for you. Okay, in this video, we are going to be talking about family hubs, also known as command centers. These are by far one of my favorite organizational tools. I absolutely love these. They're super easy to set up and they're incredibly effective at keeping things organized when you're running a home and a family. Now, I don't like to say running a family, but that's basically what we as moms are doing. We're making sure that everybody's in the right space, everybody's fed, everybody's clothed, they're at their appointments, they're at their games, they're at the practices. Everybody needs to be at a certain spot on time. And it tends to fall on our shoulders to make sure that they all get there with all of the supplies that they need. So, a family hub or a family command center is a great way to streamline the back end working and organizational running of our home and families. So, let's go ahead and dive into today's presentation. Okay, organizing inspiration for creating a family hub in your home. So, first, what is a family hub? Well, basically, it is an area in your home that holds the important things that you need to keep your family organized. Why do you need a family hub? Well, the best reasons for a family hub is to keep schedules front and center on a calendar or with the schedule printouts that our kids get. Stop the dinner time chaos by always knowing what you're making for, at the very least, the day ahead. Be on time for appointments, doctor's appointments, hair appointments, dance recitals. No more being late because you have a great big calendar front and center telling you exactly where everyone needs to be at what time. Be ready for birthdays and anniversaries. If you have a birthday coming up, you know you have a card, you have a gift, you have everything you need to celebrate that friend or loved one's special occasion. Know where your keys are, know where your purse is, know where your husband's wallet is, know where permission slips are for your kids, no matter what age they are. Know where all important information is for checking accounts, for warranties, for home repairs and appliances. Whatever you need to run your home and family efficiently can all be contained in this one area. So, what is the best location for a hub in a home? Well, basically, it's anywhere that is easy for not only you to see and use this efficient tool, but for anyone in your family. So, this could be a wall in your mudroom, it could be the inside of a cabinet in your kitchen, or the door inside of a cabinet. It could be on the front or the side of your refrigerator. It could be a spot on your kitchen counter. It could be a spot near the front door. It could be a wall in any room that is easily accessible by your family. So it could be a hallway wall. It could be a wall going back to the bedrooms. It could be a wall in an office or even an area in a family room. There are basically no rules when it comes to setting up a location for a hub. Just know that everyone needs to pass by it daily so they have that visual reminder to check out the hub and make sure they know what's up for, at the very least, them for the day. Okay, so what are the parts of a family hub? Well, you can have a bulletin board, you can have those plastic or metal drawers, you can have a dry erase board or a whiteboard, you can have hanging organizers that are metal on the wall or hanging organizers that are cloth hanging from your wall. You can have binders sitting on a table or baskets on a shelf. You can have small glass bowls on a floating shelf on the wall or a full wall setup organizer that is just put it up, get it filled out, and be ready to go. All the parts depend on the areas that you hope to organize. So, knowing exactly the different locations of your home and family that you want to keep tabs on at least daily, if not at least weekly, if not daily, are going to help you pick the best location, the best tools, and the best setup for you. Okay, before we get started, a quick quote. A home should be an anchor, a port in a storm, a refuge, and a happy place for which to dwell. This is by Marvin J. Ashton. And I absolutely love this quote because it gives the reason why a family hub is such a valuable tool. The more organized you can keep the comings and goings of everyone in your family, the more you are going to create a happy place in which not only you can live in, but your entire family can live in. Okay, with that motivation under our belt and with all the guides to setting up a family hub, let's look at some inspiration from all over the internet that I hope will inspire you to take this idea and really set up a place in your own home today. First up, if you are short on space, don't worry. Any area in your home is going to work as a family hub. So at homebyjen.com, she set up a small wall right inside of her door. She's got a basket for recipes, or for receipts, a basket for bills and coupons. She's got a wall clock that matches the style of her room. She's got a calendar on a piece of wood, which I absolutely love, and a bulletin board down at the bottom. And this down here is drawers for storage. Absolutely love this setup. It is simple yet incredibly efficient. Next, from ashadeofteal.com, they set up their family hub on the end wall of their kitchen, a space that you would think absolutely served no purpose in a room or in a home, right? And they turned it into an efficient family hub with pictures and mementos at the very top. What do you call those, steel or aluminum containers right below to put outgoing and incoming mail, a lovely wall calendar that is a dry erase calendar, so they keep the same setup. They just have to fill it in at the start of each month. A little basket for flowers, hooks for keys and a leash, and then file holders down at the bottom. The setup matches their style, yet it's incredibly efficient. A theme you're going to see repeated over and over again in this slideshow. This is from remodelaholic.com. And I love the way they used numbers instead of names on the baskets down below. This incorporates a mudroom and a family hub all in one. So they have clipboards, which you all know how much I love clipboards, color coordinated. They've got floating shelves to hold even more organizers, hanging baskets down below, and then a series of hooks on the left-hand side. A lovely welcome sign ties it all together, and the bench doubles as a place to sit down to put on and take off shoes. Really love this setup. Okay, this is from uncommondesignsonline.com, and I absolutely love this menu board because instead of writing things in, she's got all these preset menus on little cards in a basket that she goes through every week to set up her menu. She can pull them out, they're color coded, she could put them on the wall, and then she could take them to the kitchen with her to remind her exactly what is for dinner. She has a shopping list right there, and she is able to fill out anything that she needs to purchase for those dinners. So she knows she has all the ingredients ready to go when she starts cooking. I love the rest of this setup as well. And I love how she incorporated a small shelving unit down below to give her and her family even more valuable space. Next is by sarahjoyblog.com, and this might be the prettiest setup out of all the examples I have for you today. And she focused on the style of the room when creating her family hub. And that might be something you were struggling with all this time and why you may not have set one up as of yet, because it was very business, right? And you want your home to be inviting and warm and friendly. This is how you do it, by incorporating your style into your family hub. So she has browns and she has wickers with a little bit of green, all tied in, the farmhouse look with the calendar being front and center. She's got a bulletin board, lots of room to write, and 2 organizing baskets off to the right-hand side that she can relabel if she decides to use them for something else. Next, from 4 Men and 1 Lady, absolutely love the name of that site, is this idea of framing everything in. That way, she does not need to have a bulletin board or all these different organizers. It's just a framed in metal board that is completely magnetized. She can put everything up that she needs. She's got these industrial clip on magnet hooks that she can hold a binder. She's got these heavy duty magnets, and she's got that was a magnetic clip. I'm sorry, magnetic hooks here. And she can even use sticky notes and an organizer for pens and pencils. She can even write on it with dry erase markers. This is a great way to set up a nice large space that can be customized month to month, no matter how it is you need to set it up. Then from simpleasthatblog.com, you can incorporate a shelving unit down below to give you even more room. So this setup has an all-in-one at the top, and I'm going to have links for a lot of these tools and supplies down below in the description. So if you want to purchase any of these items, you can look down there for links of where you can buy them. So they have this great all-in-one setup. They actually chalkboard a calendar on there. That might be a little bit too much on for my level of organizing, but this might be something that you love. They've got a vertical organizer over here, a cup for pens and pencils, hooks for keys, more organizing room here, and then down below, two great big baskets along with more area to really make sure that they can fit everything in. If you have 4 children in your family, you could do a basket for each of the children down in this cube organizer. Inside, they can keep homework, permission slips, anything that needs to be seen daily. And all you have to do is peek into each basket every day, and you know nothing is falling through the cracks with any of your kids. Then you could just keep it simple. A wall calendar can be the focus of your family hub and the main organizational area. Down below, 2 standing organizing baskets that are on the wall that can hold a miscellaneous supply of items for anything that you need. Binders, notebooks, incoming mail, outgoing mail. You can put keys in there, phones in there, pens, pencils, little sticky notes, whatever you need. These little sticky notes are absolutely awesome for wall calendars because you can write reminders on it, and you can buy them in different colors so you can color code your entire family. This is from howtonestforless.com, and she's got some great ideas if you want to check them out. Next, you can purchase an all-in-one setup. If you're not into figuring out all these different components, just buy an all-in-one setup and it's done for you. All you have to do is hang it on the wall. These have slider organizers that are slats, I should say, and you can buy different organizers to put them on. It's similar to a pegboard system, and it works great for a family hub. It fits in a much smaller area, so you can put it on a smaller wall, and you can customize it and change it whenever you need to add or remove something that you have incorporated in here. This is from cleanandsensible.com. You can use as much space as you need. Go big or go home. If you love the idea of organizing your family, you can fill the entire wall. You can have a calendar, metal baskets, wooden baskets, the first letter of your last name, cork boards, dry erase boards, baskets, more metal baskets. Anything you need, you can put in there. And this is from onecreativehousewife.com. Just remember to let it reflect your style. I love teal, so I was really drawn to this setup. Wicker baskets down at the bottom with the first initial of each family member so they know exactly whose stuff is where. They have a framed in picture, and they actually drew a template on the outside of it that is in permanent marker, and then they use a dry erase to fill out the calendar every month. They have a floating shelf to put glasses and pens on. They have clipboards, love clipboards on there for extra notes. Super easy to attach the clipboard, and then you can change the papers. You can have sports schedules on there. You can have meal plans on there. You can have the plan to an upcoming family event like a birthday party or an anniversary celebration. You can have it all right there, and that's your visual reminder every time you walk by, keeping you and your family on track for anything that is coming up for the month ahead. Oh, that is for TurnerInteriorsLLC.com. DIY something you love. This is an industrial command center, and she literally has every single step mapped out on her site. So if you want to build this from scratch, go to anna-white.com. She makes it super easy. So no matter what skill level you are, you can totally do this DIY project. And I absolutely love the style. So she's got these great hooks. The kids can hang their backpacks on them. She's got a basket for each of the kids, and they can put, or for each of the kids right here, they're color coded so they know exactly what goes where, incoming, outgoing mail. She's got a menu plan up on the left hand side, and she's got a calendar over here. And the great thing is, she can take these down and put them on the table and write on them, because unfortunately, with this bar hanging out, though it looks nice, these boards move a lot. So if you want a sturdy writing environment, you have to take them down, but she makes sure they're super easy to do. So if you're looking for a DIY way to set up a family hub, this is a great one for you to try. And my favorite, go double duty. You know how I am about using something that works in more than one area, so you're really streamlining a place. Put a desk up against a wall. That can be your bill paying area. The family hub goes directly above it, and you have all the organizing you need down below. So you can pay bills, look directly up and see your calendar for the month ahead, see your incoming mail, your outgoing mail, have all of your organizing schedules and meal plans. Everything is right there. So you can sit down, plan everything for the entire week, put it up where it belongs, walk away, and be done. This is such an ingenious way to incorporate a desk, bill paying, and family hub, all in one area. And I absolutely love not only the look of it, but the layout as well. And this is from bourbonandpearls.com. Oh my goodness, what a fun presentation. I hope you enjoyed all those amazing ideas that I was able to find all over the internet for you. Please visit each of those sites if you want more information on what was used, where to find those pieces, and how to DIY any of the setups that were made from scratch. Again, I'll have links down below for any of the common items that I think you might like. Go ahead and click on my affiliate link and check those items out. I hope this encourages you to try a family hub in your home. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. I will do my best to guide you in the most efficient way to streamline and set up an area for your home and family. All right, that's our organizing inspiration video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Oh, and happy decluttering. Bye, everybody.